Teaching others your expertise takes dedication and commitment. People look to you as a mentor, a valid source of knowledge, and someone who is authentic, genuine, and cares about the content you are delivering. You play a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of someone's life, and you, the expert, have a responsibility to deliver with the highest expectation in mind. While teaching online can generate income as market trends tend to sway that way, creating online courses is about more than making money. It's about making connections with people and building a collaborative community of learners centered around a passion for an interest you all share. Do what you do best, stay persistent and adaptable, and the money will come.